And special thanks to this company for these cloth Tesla floor mats. So nothing to really show you on the unboxing at all. Literally just has this little sticker on it here. So we're gonna take these out to our Tesla Model 3, put them in, and show you what they look like right here. All right, so here are these Tesla Model 3 floor mats. It has the Tesla name and the nice Tesla logo. This one's for the back seat, and then there's also a driver and passenger side seat. Here's what they look like in the car. And so here are the floor mats installed in my car. I must say, they look really darn good. So this is the driver's side floor mat. This is the passenger side floor mat. They all fit perfectly. They feel really, really nice. And the stitching seems really, really good. And lastly, here's the back seat floor mat. Got the nice Tesla logo right in the middle and just fits perfectly back here. Love these. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send these to me to demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.